dear students, let us see one of the important definition of exponential function. So what is exponential function? The exponential function with positive base b is greater than 1 is the function y is equal to f of x is equal to b raised to x, where b is greater than 0 and b is not equal to 1. So what is the meaning of what is the meaning of b is greater than 0? Because if we take any negative value, or for example here, if I take b is equal to minus 2 and x is equal to 1 by 2, then square root of minus 2 is not a real number. That is an imaginary number. That means we can say that b raised to x for b is equal to minus x is b raised to x for b is less than 0 is not defined. That means is not always a real number. Then what is the meaning of b is not equal to 1? Meaning of b is not equal to 1 is, here if we take b is equal to 1 and if we take any exponent, if I take x is equal to 10, it will be always 1. Then if I take x is equal to 1000, it is always 1. Or if I take x is equal to 1 by 2, that is always 1. So therefore, this will for any value of x, 1 raised to x. For any value of x, for b is equal to 1, it is always 1. Therefore, it will not be a function because it will be made into one relation. And made into one relation is not a function. Then, if we see the domain of this function is a real number. We can take any value of x. We can take positive number, negative number or 0 also. For x is equal to 0, b raised to 0 is 1. That means that is a real number, and we can say that exponential function is defined for x is equal to 0, and for any value which is greater than 0, it is also a real number. For b is greater than 1. Again, b is not greater than 1, b is greater than 0, but b is not equal to 1. Again, one more important thing here. If we take here any negative numbers, if we take any negative value of x, for that also we will get a real number. For example, here, if I take here 2 raised to minus 1 by 2, this can be written as 2 raised to 1 by 2. Then 1 can be divided by the value obtained by square root of 2. So we will get a real number. That means for any value of x which is less than 0, we will get the value of b raised to x as a real number. So we can say that domain of y is equal to b raised to x, that is domain of exponential function, is a real number, and range is always positive real number. Here, for any value of x, the range is always a positive number. Here, if I take here b is equal, if I take x is equal to 0, then b raised to 0 is 1. That is a positive number. If I take any positive value of x, then b raised to any positive value of x, that will be a real number. And if I take x is equal to x is any negative number, that means b raised to minus x. Like this can be written as 1 upon b raised to x, and 1 upon b raised to x is a positive real number. So we can say that range of exponential function is always a positive number. Then another important point, the point 0, 1 is always on the graph of exponential function b raised to x, because if I take x is equal to 0, b is equal to 0. That means 0, 1 point will be always lying on the graph of exponential function. Then exponential function is ever increasing function. As we move from left to right, the graph rises above. It is ever increasing function. As we move from left to the right, then it is always moving above. So we can say that the exponential function is ever increasing function. Then another point, for very large negative value of x, the exponential function is very close to 0. For very large value, negative large value, see here if I take here 2 raised to minus 10,000, so 2 raised to 10,000 is a very big value, and if we divide 1 by very large number, then we will get very small number which is very close to 0. So therefore we can say that for very large negative value of x, the exponential function is very close to 0. It is very close to 0, but it will not be 0. Or in other words, in the second quadrant, the graph approaches to x-axis but never meet. The graph approaches to x-axis but never meet, because for any value, for any large negative value of x, the y is equal to b raised to x will be very close to 0. That means value of y will be very close to 0, but it will not be 0. Therefore, the value here, therefore we can say that this in the second quadrant, the graph approaches towards x-axis but never meet. Another important, if we take b is equal to 10, then 10 raised to x is called common exponential function, and e raised to x, the base is e, this is called natural exponential function, where value of e, that is 1 plus 1 upon 1 factorial plus 2 upon 2 factorial plus so on. So this is about the exponential function. If we observe graph of this exponential function, this is a continuous function. There are no breakages or there are no holes in the graph of exponential function. So we can say that exponential function is a continuous function.